Fifth grade Shurley method, page 21, part 2. So exercise 2, put a slash to separate each run-on sentence below. Then correct the run-on sentences by rewriting them as indicated by the labels and parentheses at the end of each sentence. A question mark means you get to choose the compound connection, the one you want to use. Let's go ahead and let's circle 1 and 2. That's what you guys are going to do for homework. Let's do 3. Bob left home. He looked for a job. Where's my backslash? Between home and he, right? Okay. So it says a sentence with a compound verb. So we're going to replace that with what? And. So Bob left home. And do we need to add he? No. So Bob left home and looked for a job. The chicken baked for 2 hours. It did not overcook. An hour. Okay. Then it wants a compound sentence, and they want us to put however in there. So what would we do? So we replace the backslash with what, guys? However, but also what punctuation? Semicolon, however, comma, right? So the chicken baked for 2 hours. Semicolon, however, it did not overcook. Okay. My sister made the salad. I set the table. Between salad and knife. They want a compound sentence again. And they want us to replace the backslash with what? But do you just put that word, or do you have punctuation with it? Punctuation. So comma, but, right? So my sister made the salad, comma, but I set the table. Number 6, the wind blew from the north. The snow fell rapidly. Okay, in between north and the. They want a compound sentence, right? So what can we put in there? And. But since it's a compound sentence and not like a sentence with a compound verb or things like that, or a compound subject, what do we have to put with that and? A comma, right? Okay. So the wind blew from the north, comma, and the snow fell rapidly. Okay, so next one, exercise 3. Identify each kind of sentence by writing the abbreviation in the blank. So I want you guys to do 7, 8, and 9 for homework. Don't forget, if you have things that are conjoining them or things like that, you have to underline it or put it in a box in the sentence, correct? Okay, so my cousin's birthday is tomorrow, so we bought her a present. So the comma and so, right? We need to put it in a box, right? That makes it a what kind of sentence? A compound sentence, so CD. The teacher gave her student a dictionary and helped him look up a word. So and, right? Okay. but is there any punctuation with it? No. So that means you either have a sentence with a compound verb or a sentence with a compound subject. So which one is it? Verb, right? Because of gave and helped, right? I was out of town. Otherwise, I would have come. So what do we need to underline there or put in a box? The semicolon, otherwise, and the comma, right? So that makes it a what kind of sentence? A compound sentence. So CD. Take and send us a picture of your new baby. Okay, so we have and, right? Okay, but does that and have punctuation? No, so we know it's not a compound sentence. So that means it either has to be a sentence with a compound verb or a sentence with a compound subject. So, not subject, verb, because take and send. So sentence with a compound verb. For sentences 1 through 3, fill in the circle or circles that show these sentences combined correctly. Jeff wrote a report. He drew a picture to go with it. So which ones? Which one or ones? Two. Okay. Any other ones? No. Right? Okay. So William takes Bill and I skating. So what could we replace I with? Me. And is that objective or subjective? Objective. Us guys are playing basketball. So what could we replace us with? We. Objective or subjective? Subjective, because it's at the beginning, right? Them are our uniforms. They are our uniforms. Could you use those? Okay, so you can use those, they, that's your choice, right? Objective or subjective? Subjective. Okay, you guys can mark off exercise 5.